In this video, I'm going to show how to unlock Apollyon in the body of Isaac repetitions. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. So, if you want to unlock Apollyon, you need to defeat Mega Satan, okay? If you defeat Mega Satan, you will unlock Apollyon. Now, to beat Mega Satan, you need first to have the key piece 1 and the keys piece 2, okay? So, to have these two keys, you need to enter on 2 angel rooms in your run and explode with a bomb the angel, okay? Then the boss will respawn and you will kill the boss to have the first piece. Then you need to make this process again to have the key piece 2. And if you combine these two pieces, you can open the door to kill the Mega Satan, okay, this door right here. If you have these two keys, you will unlock this door and you can beat Mega Satan. You can also use Daddy's key, okay? If you have this item, you can use on the room that you will open the door and kill Mega Satan. I hope I help you all to unlock Apollyon in the body of Isaac repetitions. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.